welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Nestled in the picturesque Battle River Valley near Wainwright, Alberta, the Fabyan Trestle Bridge, also known as the Battle River Railway Trestle, stands as a testament to engineering prowess and historical significance. Located approximately 200 kilometers southeast of Edmonton, this iconic structure is one of Canada's largest railway trestles. Constructed between 1907 and 1908 by the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway, the Fabyan Trestle Bridge spans an impressive 846 meters, or 2,775 feet. It reaches a height of 59 meters, or 195 feet. This colossal feat of engineering was once the longest freestanding trestle in the country, and continues to be a vital part of the Canadian National Railway network. The bridge's construction played a significant role in the westward expansion of the railway, facilitating the connection between eastern and western Canada. The construction site quickly transformed into a bustling community, complete with store, cafe, and hospital to support the workers. Though the work was challenging and dangerous, the determination and resilience of the builders is evident in the enduring strength of the structure. Tragically, the construction of the trestle was not without its perils. 3 men lost their lives during the building process when their scow was swamped midstream. In their memory, a cairn was erected near the bridge, serving as a solemn reminder of the sacrifices made in the pursuit of progress. Today, the Fabyan Trestle Bridge continues to capture the imagination of visitors and railway enthusiasts alike. The breathtaking views from the surrounding area offer a unique perspective on the natural beauty of the Battle River Valley. The Way of the West Society has created a rest area and lookout site, providing an excellent vantage point to appreciate this magnificent structure. The Fabyan Trestle Bridge is more than just a marvel of engineering. It's a symbol of the pioneering spirit that helped shape the Canadian landscape. As you stand in awe of its grandeur, you can't help but feel a connection to the past and the indomitable spirit of those who built it. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can find Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.